Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Mitsubishi Lancer handbrake. First, park your car on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake slightly. Make sure the transmission is in neutral. You will need a few basic tools, typically a 10mm wrench and a flathead screwdriver. These tools will help you access and manipulate the adjustment mechanism. Now, let's get to the adjustment point. You'll need to remove the center console trim surrounding the handbrake lever. Gently pry up the plastic cover, usually near the rear of the console, to reveal the retaining bolts. There are typically 2 or 4 bolts, often 10mm, that secure the console. Unscrew these carefully to gain access to the handbrake cable. With the console removed, you will see the handbrake cable and an adjustment nut at the base of the lever. This nut controls the cable tension. To tighten the handbrake, turn the adjustment nut clockwise using your wrench. Test the handbrake engagement. It should typically click 3 to 5 times before fully engaging. Avoid over-tightening, as this can cause premature wear on your rear brakes. After adjusting, reassemble the console by reversing the removal steps. Before driving, perform a final check. Ensure the handbrake holds your car firmly on a slight incline. Also, confirm that the rear wheels spin freely when the handbrake is fully disengaged, preventing any drag. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the links in the description below. This ensures your handbrake is both safe and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.